Hi, and welcome to this quick developer log, and this one is about the support for Visual Editor for All in combination with WSForm. We've added support for WSForm for the Visual Editor, and it states here that it is as easy as using editor equals WVE. So I thought I'd just quickly show you that. So here's a test page, and looking at the source, it's easy enough. This is like a test website, so there's no show messages, and show messages you can use that. That's a WSForm feature. You can use that to show messages like the form has been submitted successfully, or you can do various things, but it also gives you error messages. So but I just popped it up here so that we can at least see that. So what it does is it'll add a page to the wiki. Let me just take this out. We don't need that anymore. That is if you want to make a form available for people even if they're not a user on the website, on the wiki. We'll set a wiki comment, which you can see in the recent changes, and then we'll create a page which is called testing page, with a template of test, and we got a text area, and it has some default text in it which is called texting. Let's take this out for now, and then we'll just save this. So that gives you like a simple form. Now if we would go and say testing 1 2 3 and we would save that, sure enough it'll save that. So we've got the testing page right here, looking at the source. See, it created a template called test, and the text inside the text area is testing 1 2 3. Okay, this is all plain and default WSForm. Now we want to use the visual editor. So as it was mentioned here, just use editor equals VE. So let's do that. So we need to put that inside the text area part and just save the changes. And sure enough, it doesn't really look like that because I didn't set up the visual editor, so you can have a standard toolbar, but you'll see it as soon as you click inside. So let's add a 1 2 3 but then bold, save it. So let's go back to the test page, refresh this, and sure enough, testing 1 2 3. Now the funny thing is that you can do nice features with this, or nice stuff. You could actually say, well, I don't want one editor, I want 2 editors. And there you go, you got 2 editors. So testing 3 2 1 AA and testing 3 2 1 and on bold BB. Okay, so let's have a look at the testing page now. So now we've got a test, because I'll just quickly show you that the name of the field for the text area is called test2, and the other one is called test, and this one is called test2. And that's what you see here in the source code for this page. And it added the wiki code for bold, for AA and BB. Pretty neat, eh? Now we can take this a step further, and we can actually do MW. This is also a feature for WSForm. It's always been there, but it also works, and I just wanted to show you that with the visual editor. So NWI identifier equals HX, save. Let's do let's put in some other text. Okay. Hello there. Hey, let's do something with this. Let's give this a strike through. Okay, and now we click save, or OK. And as you can see, the page is not refreshed. You just get it saved successfully. And if we go to the testing page and we refresh this, sure enough, here's the new text. So with this, it'll save the page basically in the background without reloading the page, which can be really handy at times. And then the last step, because we actually said here said wiki command is test form for Visual Editor. So if I would go to contributions, it is. So I edited the testing page, and then you can see the comment in there, testing form for Visual Editor. So that is easy enough, because if you have a look and you see, I created this testing page, but how did I do that, or why did I do that? And you can see here that you've done it with the testing form for Visual Editor, and you go, right, I made a page for that. It's also inside the documentation, so let me give you an overview. If we go to, it's a field, so it's under field text area. It's written there, so easy enough. Alright, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. It's a quick, small demo, and have fun.
Wiki base, wiki base, wiki base, wiki base, wiki base.